बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एक्चुअली। मैं निष्का को काफ़ी देर से जानती हूँ। जब तक मैं बॉम्बे में जब मैं यहाँ आई थी एक्चुअली, मैं उस समय निष्का को जानती थी, तो इट्स बीन क्वाइट सम टाइम। सो आई ऑलवेज लव सपोर्टिंग हर एंड व्हाट शी इज़ डूइंग एंड wearing her clothes of course. And there's a lovely collection here also today, so it's always fun. You know, it's a great incentive actually. I think सब कुछ इतना जल्दी मिलता है आजकल, तो अभी एक बटन से हमें सब कुछ चाहिए. So I think it just with the fast-paced lifestyle that is now being led, I think everyone is looking for that accessibility, and it's a great incentive. It's a great idea.
Quirky.com provides a very unusual offering to the consumer that no other offline or online retail provides to India just yet, by creating a multi-brand platform for the Indian consumer. Most of e-commerce in India does old stock, not current season, and they do it on a discount basis, where we're about current season at parity pricing. So Quirky.com is a content-driven e-commerce platform. It's kind of like reading a magazine, and when you read a magazine, you like something, you can press a button to buy it. That's what Quirky.com is about.
Quirky.com is the only online retailer that brings premium contemporary brands from the US and the UK to India. So it feels like you're shopping in New York or London, just here in India. Men, we have amazing bomber jackets. I mean, those are in every season. Members Only is one of our most touted brands. So we've got leather bomber jackets and windbreakers. And of course, jeans. James Jeans is another bestseller for us.
Quirky.com is a very premium website which has international brands like BCBG and Nennet. It has DLF and it has really good stuff, and they are shipping free to India. So it's like a new concept for us, and I'm really excited to shop a lot of international trends online, which it's so freely available in India. Like normally I would have to go to London and New York to buy these things, but now I can do it online from home, so I'm quite happy about it. The difference is this has a lot of international designers at a reasonable price for India itself only, and otherwise the difference is, yeah, they have a lot of international designers together. The audience who would like to have international designers at their doorstep would prefer Quirky.com.
Yes, it's online shopping for women, and they have different clothes and accessories and a lot of things for kids, for men, for women, everything. So of course I am a big online shopper, so I'm going to definitely go on this one. Yeah, actually आज ही मेरे पास 3 पार्सल्स आए मेरे ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के, और एक खुशी मिलती है क्योंकि सडनली पार्सल्स अराइव होते हैं एंड यू फील ओ वाओ. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन, दे हैव लवली स्टफ ऑनलाइन, सो जो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा मैं खरीदूंगी. एंड या आई विल टेल देम, अगर कुछ और चाहिए तो मैं बताऊंगी उनको.